What snacks am I eating today? I'm going to show you. Everything's going to be raw. So we got the tomatoes in the refrigerator cut. These are, I showed you in the last video, these are German pinks. Absolutely just phenomenal. I mean, I think those are now my favorite tomatoes. Also today, I'll be eating as many avocados as I can. The body needs a lot of fat. It needs good fat. I used to eat 8 to 12 of these a day. Good fat gets rid of bad fat. So please take note on that and eat your avocados. Around here, they're costing less than $1. In some states, they cost about $4. Also, today I'll be snacking on honey. And I drink honey. I'll definitely finish this. This has a little blackstrap molasses in it. So you can tell that this stuff took thought when I put into it. What are tomatoes good for? Tomatoes are good for your heart, blood pressure. I mean, you know, you're talking about good fat getting rid of bad fat. Type 2 diabetes. Huge weapon against type 2 diabetes is going to be your avocado. Also, another snack I'll be eating today is this watermelon. It's in the fridge. It's going to stay cold. Really healthy. Takes more calories to eat watermelon than it does to, than it has, because you know the average, well, yeah. So in other words, it's a negative food. And then I'll have my carrot juice. And the cantaloupe juice is in there too, of course. And that's left over from yesterday, which means I didn't have to juice twice. I'm gonna go out and get some peaches. Peaches are like 99 cents a pound right now. And it takes about 11 average sized peaches to make about 3.5 liters of juice. And yes, I am juicing peaches. Whew, it is a delicious drink. I will put that up on video. So if you would like this video, subscribe so that you'll get notified, and put the notification bells on so that you can be notified when I'm juicing the peaches. And yeah, so you've seen what I'm eating today. Of course, I'll be eating a little bit of this apple around this apple core. Beyond that, this should be it. Unless I get bored and find something else raw to eat. So yeah, have a great one.